This evening, it is our pleasure to honor Grace Dickerson for her unstinting advocacy for our city's children and her bold leadership in establishing and administering Hope in the Home's Higher Education for All program, which we call HEFA. Her work has resulted in good educational settings for thousands of children from across the city, and it also is translated into providing many of their parents the means to establish stable, nurturing homes. Since 1976, Grace has been a forceful advocate for children's educational needs. When she worked alongside her husband, the Reverend Jim Dickerson, to resurrect, restart, and expand Hope in the Home, their work was focused on Flock's mission to reunite families whose children had been placed in deplorable conditions at Junior Village, the city's orphanage. The priority was to address housing issues for the families, and while under Jim's leadership, Hope in the Home's inventory grew to include 18 housing units, variously located in 8 properties. As Jim focused on housing matters, Grace focused on the need to work with low-income children to afford them the path to a higher education. As a trained teacher with an MSc in special education, emphasizing on learning disabilities, Grace launched her work to ensure that all of the children with whom she worked with would receive the educational resources to which they were entitled. Grace also works with Hope in the Home's adults, counseling them on the paths towards their career goals. She has the ability to make educational issues and student assessment results easy for parents to understand. She assists both youth and adults in seeking scholarships from a variety of sources and then resorts to her toolbox for the final funding, Hope in the Home's Mike Young Education Fund. In 2005, Hope in the Home engaged someone associated with Georgetown University to assess Hope in the Home's impact upon the families it had served. When the consultant delivered her report to the board of directors, she retorted that the best way to sum up the graduates' evaluation of Grace's services was to say, "Grace rocks." Now, here are a few words from some of the families of Hope in the Home, past and present, to share their appreciation for the countless work Grace has done for them.
Hey Grace, this is Benta.
And this is Zori.
And we would just like to say thank you for so much that you've done for our family.
Thank you for the good grades programs and the tutoring.
And thank you so much for helping me in my college process through with scholarships like the Mike Young Scholarship. It really did help me with my financial need, and I would just really want to say thank you because I greatly appreciate all the help that you've given for me and my family.
Hi, my name is Latasha Bradley, and I'm a graduate from Hope in the Home 2011. I just want to thank Miss Grace so much for helping me and my son get many scholarships. He attends Holy Trinity School in Georgetown. He's in his 2nd grade, and she also helped me get New Futures and also the Mike Young Scholarship. So I want to say thank you so much, Miss Grace.
Hi, I'm Noah.
And I'm Jan, and we are the Barber family, proud graduates of 2009.
First, I'd like to say thank you to Ms. Grace for first giving me a mentor, second, a tutor, third, a speech therapist. Thank you so much, Grace, for all your help.
I'd like to say thank you for not giving up on us when things got really rough. You've taught me how to advocate for my child, and our lives are not the same without you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We love you.
Hi, my name is Lakeisha Rivera, and this is the Rivera family. On the behalf of my husband Jamal and I, Grace, we really appreciate everything you've done for us since we graduated in 2004. You helped me get them into great schools like DC Prep. You helped me understand that education was extremely important for myself and my children. And Grace, again, I just want to thank you for everything you do. You are an awesome person and a beautiful angel.
Hey Grace, it's me Judy,
And Janine.
and we're here to just thank you so very much, Grace, for all your goodness, all the good things you've done to help my family.
And I thank you specifically for getting me through the University of Houston. I do remember countless times you and I on the phone with financial aid advisors trying to get my scholarship money straight.
And a special thanks also for helping me get Solomon in the special education school, helping me with the lawyers, and you've been wonderful.
My name is Lonetta Grant. I'm a former tenant for Hope in the Home. I have 2 kids, Isaiah and Taylor, and basically I'm here to just say thank you for just giving me the opportunity and showing me better schooling for my kids. One of the things that really stand out is helping me find E.O. Haynes. They came from a school where it was just basic, going to a school where they're like, advance and doing more things, and that came from you believing that I can do it. And since then, their grace has been phenomenal, and I thank you for it.
Hey, Miss Grace, this is Latrice, your favorite teenager. I just want to say thank you. Just thank you for your support. Thank you for your endless text messages and emails, phone visits, school visits, other visits, random times see you on the street visits. I really appreciate you, Miss Grace, because you really got me through high school, my transition from high school to college, tours, updates when it comes to school stuff. You're just there and you're on it.
Hey, Miss Grace, this is Kofi Miner, another resident of Hope in a Home, definitely saying the same thing, echoing what Latrice had to say about just a sincere thanks, thanking for her siblings, just all of your support. You just ramping up me doing the things that I need to do to just stay on point with respect to my kids and their education process, and weeding out all the bad schools and telling me these are the great schools, and just thanks for just being you.
Hi, my name is Denise Day.
Hi, my name is Tiffany Tyree.
I'm a graduate of Hope in a Home 1999. I am thankful for Grace for many, many things. Grace has helped me in so many ways in terms of helping me get my children into the proper schools. I had a daughter at that time who had a cleft palate, who she supported me in getting the proper education and professionals involved in terms of making sure that she received all the services that she needed at that time. My daughter Taisha is now in her second year at Penn State pursuing her education in civil engineer, and she's also continuing to support me as well. I'm in my second year at UDC.
I'm thankful to Grace for providing me with scholarship money. I was able to advance my education, and I'm now a licensed real estate agent.
Hi, I'm Jamie Smith.
I'm Tyler Smith.
And I'm Sam.
And we are current residents of the Hope in a Home program. We want to thank Grace for being a great encouragement in the area of education. We thank you, Grace, for always pointing us towards the best summer camps and the best schools for my children.
Hi, my name is Davon Kovich. I'm currently a member of Hope and Home, and I want to thank Ms. Grace for getting me into Akatink Academy, which is a private school, and they helped me with my weaknesses to make it into strengths. Thank you, Ms. Grace.
Hello, my name is Corinne Mercedes, and I'm a 2008 graduate of the Hope and Home program. And on behalf of myself, my husband David Bowers, and our children Caleb, Rhythm, Kalal, and Jaden, Grace, we just want to tell you thank you. You have been more than an educational coordinator with Hope in a Home for us. You've been an advocate, a motivator, a supporter, and most importantly, you've been our friend. I remember when I came to you and I had suspicions that my daughter had a reading disability. You worked with me to get my daughter tested at school, and you also worked to make sure she received the services even after the school was saying that she was not as bad as certain students. You challenged them and you made sure she got everything that she needed. And even in my own educational goals, when I voiced to you that I wanted to go to law school and I expressed concerns about the financial repercussions of going to law school, you directed me to the Mike Young Scholarship, and I'm pleased to say that I'm entering my 4th and final year at the University of Baltimore School of Law. You have helped my family reach our educational goals and a quality of life that I didn't know was obtainable. And for that, we will always be grateful. And from the bottom of our hearts, we want to tell you thank you, Grace, and how much we love you.
Thank you, Grace!
We love you, Grace. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Grace.
Thank you, Miss Grace.
Thank you.
Thank you, Grace.
Thank you, Grace.
Yay, Grace.
Thank you, Grace. We love you.
And I tell her every day. I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see